45 years ago, if you got even the tiniest damage on your windshield, you had to replace it. There was no other option. In 1972, Novus invented windshield repair, and ever since then, our motto has been repair first, replace when necessary. Replacing a windshield is costly, and there are safety issues if replacements aren't done correctly, and it's wasteful. In the simplest terms, repairing a windshield is filling a damage with a resin, a chemical compound that returns the structural integrity and the optical clarity to your windshield. Novus repairs are the safest and the clearest in the industry because they're done by the best trained techs using the best tools and the best resins, all designed and formulated by Novus. Novus repairs are guaranteed to be safe and pass inspection or your money back. It's that simple.